Hello, it's Don. All right, this morning we have to carpet some trailer bunks, wrap them, staple them, make it nice, make them tight, make them look like something. Sometimes people struggle with that, making it all work out where it looks good. So I've already done this one. We're gonna do another one. I'm gonna take you through the steps. It's not hard. Once you learn the little tricks of the trade, it's real easy actually. All you need is a stapler. I use an air stapler because, 500 staples later, a T50 will wear you out. Anyways, here we go. We're just going to jump right into it. No, we make a big long video out of this, but point this in the right way. Here's our carpet. We got a hard side, if you will, and of course your fuzzy side out. Fuzzy side out, remember that. The way you want to do this, pull your carpet out, put it underneath your board. Good set of sawhorses really come in handy here. And you want to make sure you got a good square cut on the end of your carpet here. I've already done that. Bring you over a little closer here. There we go. Oh, that's real good there. Okay. Got my stapler in hand. So what you're going to do here, you want to try to center the carpet on the wood. Get it wrapped up. You can bring it up past the sides a little bit. That helps you know that you've got it in the center. You want to pull that kind of tight. Wrap it around. Get your staples in the end of the board. Alright, now we go straight back to the other end. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And until now, we haven't cut any carpet. Everything's full length still. Here's where it's kind of important. We're going to grab this carpet, push out on that board. You want to stretch it. You want to pull on that carpet. Get it centered up on there the best you can. I'm going to pull it up over the top. Now I'm going to put my staples in the end of the board. Now we take our scissors and cut the end off. Right even with the end of the board. So now we got a good pull on that carpet the whole way. Now we're going to start working it down. Start in the middle. Once again, you want to try to stretch this carpet all the time you're putting it on. So I'm going to pull it on both sides, wrap it around tight, get one staple on each side. Come up about a foot or so, do the same thing. Pull both sides real tight. Wrap it around to your middle, get a staple on both sides. And I'll work that all the way down. Now once you got those, you can go a little faster. You want to pull one side, get it, and you can see you got your gap, just kind of space it out. Get a good even distance in your staples. Back over the other side, pull on it the whole time. This isn't the way you have to do it. If it works for you to do it different, do it a little different, but you want to keep tension on that carpet all the time. And stop, 6-7 inches from the end. And I'll show you why there in just a little bit. That's when you go to wrap them ends. That's going to make your life better. You're going to like, oh yeah, I see why we saved the ends. Okay. Okay, we're going to work our way down. this carpet, pull it up, take the stretch out of it. You see you want an air stapler or electric stapler. You can wear yourself out with a regular old T50 here. Staples. You'd be amazed how many staples you use in one of these jobs, so keep a fresh box handy. Alright. Now we're going to tackle this end. This is where anybody can staple carpet around the board, but this is where you want to pay attention. This is where it makes the difference. This is where you make it good looking. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take my carpet, I'm going to come right down, and I'm just going to cut right at the end of the board. Just so I got a nice edge on that. And it really helps to have a good pair of shears when you're doing this. Okay, so now I've got that. You can see I got my flap there. I'm just going to come right off that edge. I'm going to 45 right off that edge. So I got that little nub right there. Do the same thing on the other side. Come down, cut line at the end of my wood. I'll have that nice edge. I come off right there. I'm going to 45 right off that edge, just like so. Now I'm going to stand my board up. Pull that flap back, and this is why you got to leave this last 6 inches or so without staples. I'm going to pull that in. I'm going to give a staple right about there. Just so you know, when you pull this over, now you got a nice edge right there. Give that one staple. Pull it tight. Down the edge, one there for good measure. Same thing here. Here's my little 45-degree app. I'm going to pull this flat back. I'm going to tuck that tight. Set a staple inside. Pull it back over. Staple in the end. Pull it out tight. Boom. Look at that. Now I got a really nice corner there. Everything's pulled tight. Looks good. Looks like somebody knew what they were doing when they did it. Alright, let's go to the other end. This one's almost done just that fast. It's not a hard job. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be like, dang, I'm a pro. I want to go in the carpet business. Better things to do though, trust me. Alright, we're going to cut that end off flush. We're going to take that out on that 45, just like that. So we've left that whole end there. Do the same thing on the other side. And take that out on the 45. Left that flap there. Stand your board up, just makes it easier to work with. Push that carpet in, tuck it under itself, send a staple home. Pull it back, now you got that real knife edge. Put a staple there just because. And staple buries into the carpet, you won't see it. Same thing on the other side. And again, pull it down. Just like that. One nice trailer bunk, carpeted, looking good. So we got a pair of them. Didn't take too long, a couple minutes. But those ends are the key. You know, a lot of people don't understand just how to get them nice, and that's it. That's what you got to do. Appreciate you joining me. This was an easy one, but whatever. Some are easy, some are hard. If it helps you, I'm glad. Have a great day.